This video will demonstrate how to view a document inside of the document management system, as well as also how to upload a new revision of that document. So firstly, we want to go to Content and then Document Management, and from here we should see a list of all the different categories in the document management system. So by clicking on the name of a category, we can then see any documents that sit inside that category. So from here we can see the name of the document. Each document is assigned its own unique identifier, which is a number. We can see how many different revisions of the document exist. The status indicates whether this document is available to upload a new revision or not. We can see when it was created and who it was created by. And then the last piece of information here is what the document is attached to. So in this instance here, this document here is not actually assigned to anything. It's just inside the order documents category as a standalone document. Whereas this document has actually been assigned to a specific order in the system. So if we take a look at the order itself, we just scroll down to the bottom of the page here, we should see this attached documents plugin, and from here we can see those two documents that had been attached on the previous screen. Now this attached documents plugin can be seen on a number of different object types throughout the system, such as quotes, tickets, contracts, purchase orders, and so forth. There's a number of different object types that currently support the document management system. So to recap, we can either look at all the documents that sit in the category from this page, and depending on how many documents there actually are, that may or may not be feasible. And then we can also drill into the individual objects that the documents have been attached to and see the list of documents at the bottom. So once we've found the document that we want to update, we just click on the name of the document. From here we can see some core information and some metadata about the document. We can also see a list of any revisions of the document. So as we upload new revisions, we'll see a new entry added to this document history here, and at any time we can then click on this link here to see that particular version of the document. So if you do override the document, we can always revert back to one of the older versions. At any point in time, if you click this link here, you'll see the current published version. So the way the document management system works is we have a checkout and check-in system, and what this means is firstly when we come to this document, we need to run the checkout transition and click go. So now that we've done this, we can see the document is checked out, and it's checked out to myself. So if somebody else wished to come in and upload a fresh version of this document, they actually wouldn't be able to do so. So we're just going to now run the check-in transition, and this will take us off to a new page, and from here we can then upload our revision. Then we just click upload. Now once that's been completed, the document automatically gets pushed back into the available state, and we can see there's a second revision there. So if we return to the previous page there, by clicking on this icon here, we'll also get the latest published version. And likewise in the document management system, the interface is the same. We just click on the name, and then we would run the checkout transition, and then check it in by selecting a new version of the file.